Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Tivimate error code 401 is a common issue that stops your stream. It usually means there is an authentication problem. This happens when the server does not recognize your login details. First, check your username and password. Small typos often cause this error. Type your credentials again carefully. Make sure every letter and number is correct. Next, verify your IPTV subscription status. Your service might have expired. Log into your provider's portal to check your billing. If your account is active, try clearing the app cache. Go to your device settings. Find the Tivimate app. Select Clear Cache and restart the app. Do not clear data unless you have a backup. Sometimes your internet provider blocks the connection. Try using a VPN to bypass these blocks. Connect to a different server location and try again. You can also try deleting and adding your playlist again. This refreshes the connection to the server. Copy your M3U link or stream code's details. Remove the old playlist from the settings. Add it back as a new entry. Lastly, check if the provider's server is down. You can test the link on a different device or app. If it fails there too, the problem is with the provider. Wait for them to fix the server issues. These steps should resolve the 401 error and get your shows back on the screen. Always ensure your internet connection is stable before starting. A weak signal can sometimes trigger authentication failures. Check your router settings to see if a firewall is blocking the app. Resetting your router can help clear network glitches that cause errors.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.